What up, my beautiful friends? This is Eloisa with Butterflies, Beans, and Bows. Today we're going to do organic soap. I'm going to use my regular voice.
Just kidding. It's boring.
This is a fast and easy tutorial using an organic pour and melt base. Here is what you'll need: essential oil, silicone mold, organic soap base, tablespoon of organic oil or butter, a digital scale, rubber spatula, hot and heat-proof bowl. I get my soap bases from Amazon, and they are organic. I like to use different types of oil, from avocado oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, just whatever oil or butter you want to use. It takes about a tablespoon for one soap mold. We're going to be using a double boiler method like you do with chocolate. You're going to weigh your 1-inch squares out before putting them in the boiler. My soap mold, each soap is about 3.5 ounces. So I need about 1.5 pounds for this mold. Every soap is different. Some are 3.5, some are 4. It'll tell you when you get your soap mold. Anyways, you're gonna put the soap in the boiler, and it takes about 15 minutes. You're gonna have to stir it occasionally because it does stick together. And when it's about 50% done, you're going to add your oil, butter at this time. Once it's completely melted, it's time to shut off the heat and add your essential oils. Today I'll be using lavender and a violet. And I use about 30 drops of each one. Any type of essential oils work well in this. I use less for soap for my daughter. Once it's all melted, you will ladle your base into your mold. Yes, I know, that's my regular ladle. I don't know where my other ladle went. Once it's completely cooled, it'll take about 45 minutes. You're done from start to finish. I store mine in mason jars in the bathroom. Please take time to like and share this video. Thank you so much. God bless.